Learn 20 plus phrasal verbs with go. Go away. Go away. Meaning depart or leave a place. Travel somewhere, especially on holiday or vacation. Become invisible, vanish or disappear. For example, she's not going to buy it. Please go away and don't come back. Are you going away this year? This cold just won't go away. Go back. Go back. Meaning abandon, desert, betray, or fail someone or something. For example, you promised me that you'd pay up today. No going back on your word. Go below. Go below. Meaning, go below deck on a ship. For example, the weather is getting bad. You had better go below. Go by. Go by. Meaning, follow. Be called to use as a name. Pass or go past without much interaction. For example, he is only going by what his teacher said. Her full name is Emily Robinson, but she goes by M.A. I like to sit and watch the world go by. Go with. Go with. Meaning choose or accept. For example, although I liked your suggestion, I'll go with my original idea. Go without. Go without. Meaning be deprived of. For example, the poor man's children went without supper. Go for it. Go for it. Meaning, put maximum effort into achieving something. Decide to do something. For example, she really went for it. May I use your bathroom? Go for it. Go in. Go in. Meaning, be obscured by clouds. For example, it's chilly now, the sun's gone in. Go into. Go into. Meaning, to investigate or explore. Divide exactly. For example, I don't want to go into the details now. 11 goes into 77 and 99 but not 100. Go off. Go off. Meaning explode. like less, begin clanging or making noise. For example, the bomb went off right after the Prime Minister left his office. Ever since falling off my bike, she's gone off cycling to work. The alarm will go off at 6 a.m. Go out. Go out. Meaning, be eliminated from a competition. Have a romantic relationship, one that involves going out together on dates. For example, our team went out in the second round. They've been going out for 2 years now, but still live apart. Go over. Go over. Meaning, look at carefully. Create a response or impression. For example, please go over the reports to make sure we haven't missed anything. Playing a radio in the office did not go over well with his co-workers. Go through. Go through. Meaning, travel from one end of something to the other. Progress to the next stage of something. For example, the train went through the tunnel. If Boston don't lose by more than 2 goals, they should go through to the next round. Go to. Go to. Meaning, attend an event or a site. For example, we went to a concert for my birthday. Go towards. Go towards. Meaning, be a contribution to. For example, this money will go towards paying off the debt. Go under. Go under. Meaning, collapse or fail. For example, in the crisis, the company was forced to reduce its costs in order to avoid going under. Go up. Go up. Meaning, rise or increase in price, cost, or value. For example, apples have gone up because of a shortage. Go after. Go after. Meaning, pursue in an attempt to catch another. Pursue an object or a goal. For example, go after her and apologize. Inspired, the scientist went right after the new idea. Go against. Go against. Meaning, violate, be unfavorable to someone. Oppose. For example, what she did goes against the rules. The court's decision went against them. People dared not go against the king. Go ahead. Go ahead. Meaning, proceed or to begin. For example, go ahead and eat without me. I expect to be very late. Go along. Go along. Meaning, participate, cooperate, or confirm. For example, I refuse to go along with another of her dangerous schemes. Go around. Go around. Meaning, move or spread from person to person. Share with everyone. For example, there's a cough going around. There's plenty of fish to go around. Go at. Go at. Meaning, try to solve a problem a specific way or to undertake a task. For example, he went at the issue for hours but could not come up with a way around it. Go down. Go down. Meaning, descend, be received or accepted, take place or happen. For example, you'll need to go down 2 floors to get to that office. The news didn't go down well with his parents. A big heist went down yesterday by the docks. Go for. Go for. Meaning, try for, to attempt to reach. Attack. Apply equally to. For example, I'll go for the world record. Careful, she'll go for your throat. Stop taking her food from the fridge. That goes for you too, Nick. Subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching.